Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I'm going to do my Zoom background for school. So I'm in Canva. You guys know I love Canva. I'm going to search here for Zoom. I'm going to see, oh, they actually have one. Awesome. If not, I was just going to make one from scratch. But these are all my saved templates that I have previously done. I have videos of those as well. Okay, so we have Zoom virtual background. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It should give me the dimensions I need for that particular platform. And it looks here like there's already some backgrounds that I can select from. And these are actually pretty awesome. There is, oh, I like that one. Oh, I can spend days just looking through all this stuff. So all of these I could use for my background. I can just simply, I like this one. It's fun. So I can click on this one and it actually is going to help me here with not having to do anything. I can just click on this and edit and change it up some and things of the sort. So let me go ahead and I'm going to start from scratch though. So, man, I really like some. Oh, I like this one. Ooh, this one's nice. So many different options. I even have, ooh, I like this one. So many neat options to do here. So I went ahead and paused the video. I went through all of the ones here and I clicked on some that I really liked, which was a lot. So I'm going to go through this. I'm going to start with this. You can always start with the blank canvas, obviously, or you can add in your own elements and backgrounds and such shapes. So here I'm going to do some editing. CTHS, CTHS, and CTHS. And then live class, in progress. Because we were just told that we need to, and this should be centered, that we need to have a live class with our students every day. So that can be there, that can stay. And then I have previously uploaded my, I keep doing this too thing. So I can do this here. That would be even nice just in the middle without that. But the teacher's usually in the middle and you can't see that middle section. I'm going to delete that and get a copy of that and paste that here. CTHS, CTHS, I'm going to center it to the bottom CTHS. I'm going to center this to the top CTHS, like so. And this I'm just going to bring down here. Let's put that in the middle. There we go. Okay, and so then that is my background for my Zoom. I'm going to go ahead, I could even move this up here. What if I put it here and move this line over at the top, copy that, paste it, and get me a, oops, undo the size of that. Bring that in this direction. I kind of like that. Yes, so then I can download that. I would suggest JPEG is fine, download it, and it is downloading to my computer. Then I can share that with my fellow teachers here on campus so they can use as well. That's perfect. So I'm going to go, I can add another page here. Sorry. Add a new page, or I can also duplicate. If I like this, but I just want to change it up, I can duplicate the page. So both have it. I can take this, I can delete that, take this, make it bigger. Delete that one. I can change it up all sorts of ways. That is not an element I can move, not a problem. I can put this here like that. Maybe we can move this over a little bit. Like so. And it just, it will take you a minute simply because it takes time to edit all of this. So I'm going to download PNG or JPEG, either one. I'm going to download that to my computer. Oh, and what I didn't do is I should have chosen to download, and then I can download only page 2, so it doesn't download all of my entire file. So I'm going to download just page 2, because if it's a whole file, it downloads it as a zip folder. Okay, so I have another image here. Let me take a look at my elements or my backgrounds. Where did it go? Zoom. No, where did it go? Virtual backgrounds. You can pick a variety of different backgrounds that already exist here in the platform. Let's see here. There's just so many options. It's so nice to have all of these available. And you can just pick from all of these. Pick your favorite. All right, so I'm going to go back to my templates up here. So we used the dance one already. The next thing, let's say you're at home and you're doing a virtual session, but you want something decent, maybe a cool background. That would be a cool background, and then you can put you on there. That would be pretty neat. So I'm just going to download that. I just want to download that one page. So that would be page 3 on its own, and download, and it's downloading to my computer. So really quick, I exit out of that. I'm going to create a few more, and then that's just kind of the gist of creating them. And then I'll be back in a second and I'll show you what I came up with. All right, I'm working on this last one. I want to copy this here. So I'm duplicating. I put my video conference expectations. That way it's on my virtual background and not necessarily, on my PowerPoint slide or anything. I do want, this is the photo I want to use, and these are my colors. Let's see how this will turn out if I upload my image. Oh, that is, I don't know where that she came from. I just need one. And to put it here. Is that too much? Maybe good. Okay. So I'm liking this here, and I'm going to go ahead and just download. Now, if I wanted to change this green to black, which I think I will, and all of this to black as well, just so that it matches, I think we would be good to go. And then I'm going to show you guys what I did, and with the other ones, I've already downloaded them individually. Okay, so there we go. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download this last one as a JPEG. I'm going to download just the number 7. Done. It's going to take a second to download for me. And I'm done. So there we go. All right, I'm going to exit out of this. So I'm going to show you. So we have our school logo that I got from the internet. I have my video conference expectation. So this would be on the back of my screen virtually when I'm doing a Zoom or Google Meets or something of the sort. This one was the same template, just changed the science logo here. This one I thought was cute because it was a chalkboard, so just our daily requirements for our students. Definitely want to make sure that they do these things. I found a puppy dog one I thought was really cute for a vet tech class. If you're doing it from home, maybe a nicer background rather than whatever's at home. We do have to have live classes, so this would be one. Obviously, the teacher's in the middle here, so you don't see the logo, but if you step away, it may be there. And then this one here with the live progress, class in progress was the first one. Okay, so I wanted to share that with you guys so that you know a lot of us will be doing a lot of virtual sessions, so video conferencing of sorts. So you can use Canva to create the back platform of what you would like to do. Now another one I was going to do and I totally forgot, I'm going to add a new page. I'm going to work on this one. But what you could do is have your career and technical per se is our particular one. But you can have your logo across your page. You can make it little, you can make it big, doesn't matter. And kind of like a step and repeat per se. And the good thing about Canva is that it has these pink lines that allow you to maneuver your images around, and it does get you centered and squared away fairly nicely. So I think that was about it here, and I need to find, oh, it does just take just a second, and I need one more. There you go. Okay, so that may be another, and then maybe I want to change my color. Now this is the photo color. I can choose any color scheme here. Here's the gray, here's the black, here's the white. I think I'm going to go with the gray, although I do feel this is not in proportion to, there we go. Okay, so let me add two more, and I'm going to make them little. And we're going to put it here. I like the size of that. Copy, paste. So we're going to line that up here. And then maybe two more. And you can really just get creative with this as the fun part, which does, you know, take time to do. So you just have to really be patient, maybe sit down, grab you some chips, a snack or something. That way you have something to keep you busy while you're working. There we go. Where should I go with that? Kind of looks like that. Bunch of circles. No, that's okay. We're going to go with that. Okay, so I'm going to download this last one. And I'm done. Okay, so now I can save these to my computer. I can have them, upload them to my Zoom or my Google Meets or whatever virtual, I guess, video conference option, that platform you're using. And that way I have a library of different backgrounds. It's not always going to be the same one. You can have a different one for each class period or each classroom or each day, or you can have a theme. There were some birthday ones in there as well. So have fun with it, and hopefully you get some fun images in your background to help your sessions look a little bit more lively. All right, you guys have a good one.